Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to use spelling and grammar and remove all red and green underlines from Word document. Friends, you can see here uh, like a green zigzag line that indicates it's a grammar mistakes, and here you can see a red zigzag line. It shows the spelling mistakes. Red is showing spelling mistakes and green is showing grammar mistakes. You can remove this error by using F7 key. Press F7 key. Dialog box will be appear. Spelling and grammar dialog box, and it is showing these word has have a grammar mistakes, and you can and it is suggesting like a computer is, and computer is electronic device. It is a suggestion. Just change it. It has done. And now he don't come here. It's a grammar mistake. And what is give a suggestion does. He does not come here. And you can change here also. Now it's a spelling mistakes computer. It is suggestion. There are some suggestions. It might be a computer. If you agree, change, and if you don't agree, ignore. And I simple select change. And WOD would. It might be some words like a word, but what is my best suggestion? Then I select it and change, and now everything has been done. You can like I just press undo. You can do it by going to the menu references and review and spelling and grammar. By menu, in menu review option, and here is the option spelling and grammar. Just click here. It is showing computer has a suggestion like a computer. Just change it and change it. And just click again, and it is showing it's a grammar mistake, and give a suggestion computer is. If you don't change it, just go to the next or ignore ons. When you click ignore ons, it is not showing it's a grammar mistake, but because you have ignored it, and does is here is a grammar mistakes do, and suggestion is does. Just change it. Now you have done. If you want to check the spelling grammar option, just go to the file menu, and here is a option. In option tab like a proofing, just click proofing. Here is the option ignore words in uppercase. If you type capital uppercase all the word like a computer, it's ignore. It is not showing a mistake because it's uppercase letter. Now there is a more option here. You can check it, and here is the option check grammar with spelling. If you remove it, it does not check grammar with spelling. If you remove this check spelling as you type, then it does not check spelling as you type. Friends, hope these tips will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.